Hey guys, what is going on? Hope you're all good. Welcome back to the channel, Rich43. Today I've received my delivery for the transformer for the water feature in the garden. So yeah, what we're going to be doing now well, it's going dark already, but before I have my tea, my dinner, I'm going to try and see if it works and see if everything's alright and see if it is the transformer, what's the problem. As I showed you on a previous video a couple of weeks back, the old transformer had been totally destroyed by the weather. So this time I'm going to try and put some sort of a weatherproof plastic box around it to prevent it from getting destroyed again. It's a simple fix. This is all it's got to be done is plugged into the mains and then plugged into the water feature, and then we should see a result. Remember guys, if you are doing this mess with electric, make sure you turn the electric off at the mains and the main power source before you mess with electric. As you can see by looking at the transformer, the details on it, it's a 12 volt amp transformer, and then it's got 30 VA underneath. Obviously these are the exact same transformers, but what I read up, when you're putting one of these transformers onto the water feature, when you buy a new one, as long as the VA is higher than the one what you've originally got, you shouldn't have any problem. All we've got to do really now is plug it into the mains and then plug it into the water feature and then see if it was the transformer, what was the problem. So yeah, if you like this video or you like any of my other videos, please remember to subscribe, like, support the channel, and feel free to comment and share. So yeah, let's crack on. And there you have it guys, all done. Please subscribe, like, share and comment down below. See you in the next one. See ya.